Welcome. Today I will teach you cyclic process in thermodynamics. So let's start. Before we know what is cyclic process, first of all we need to know what is a thermodynamic process. So let's see the definition of thermodynamic process. When a system goes from one equilibrium state to other equilibrium state, it is called as a thermodynamic process. So as you can see in this figure, this is state 1 and this is state 2. So the in this PV diagram, the system goes from state 1 to state 2. So this is a process. Now let's see what is a cyclic process. Cyclic process. If in a process the initial and final states of the system are same, then the process is called as a cyclic process. So as you can see in this PV diagram of this cycle, this is the Otto cycle. You must have read it about Otto cycle, diesel cycle, dual cycle. These cycles are of cyclic processes. So this diagram shows state 1, state 2, state 3 and state 4, and again the process comes back to the state 1. So we can see that the initial state, that is 1, and the final state after completing these 4 points 1, 2, 3 and 4, the cycle again comes to the same state, that is state 1. So it is a cyclic process. Now if I tell you that how many states are required to make a cycle, make a process a cyclic process, then the minimum number of states required for a cyclic process is 2, as you can see in this diagram. Then state 1 to state 2 from this path and coming back from 2 to 1 using this path. So the minimum number of states required is 2. Now the 3-state cycle, you must not have usually read about this cycle. This is Lenoir cycle. This cycle represents the pulse jet engine. So Lenoir cycle is the 3-state cycle, and these are the well-known cycles for you, Otto and diesel cycles. These are 4-state cycle, and the dual cycle also, it is a 5-state cycle, as you can see in this PV diagram. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.